Good morning, grade 3. Welcome to science lesson. Unit 3.3 Heating Matter Objectives. Investigate how materials change when they are heated or cooled. Know that melting is when a solid turns into a liquid and is the reverse of freezing. Keywords: melted, heating. In this picture, you can see that first one is ice, second one is ice starts to melt. So melting. Melting is the change of solid to liquid by heating. So solid, here is ice. When it is heating, it melts and form water, it is liquid. Melting. To melt means to change a substance from a solid to a liquid state by heating it to the melting point. Different substances melt at different temperatures. Water melts at 0 degrees centigrade or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Water changes. Water can change from one state to another, from liquid to solid. When we cool water in a freeze, it changes into ice. From solid to liquid. When ice gets warmer, it changes back into water. From liquid to gas. When we heat water, it changes into steam. What happens to ice when it gets warm? Yes, it melts. And second one, this question from your student's book, page number 44. Describe what ice looks like as it melts. Yes, it gets wet at first on the surface, then water forms around it. As more water forms, the ice block gets smaller until it disappears and there is only a puddle of water left. Next question number 3. Do you think all ice will melt at the same rate? No. Where it is warmer, it will melt faster. Larger blocks will take longer to melt than smaller blocks. Here you can see that butter is melting. Some solid matter needs more heat than other matter to make it melt. For example, if you heat butter in a metal pan, the butter will melt, but the metal pan will not. Question number 4. Name some solid matter that easy to melt. Yes, examples could include chocolate, butter, margarine, wax, ice cream. And question number 5. If you heated ice, butter, and candle wax in the same pan over the same heat, which one do you think would melt first? Why? Yes. In many cases, butter will melt before ice because it is less solid to start with. Similarly, the wax will melt more slowly than the butter because it is designed to withstand some heat before melting. Metals can be got from rocks by heating them at very high temperatures until the metal melts. Gold ore contains pure gold. Gold ore, this is in a solid form. Then melted gold, it's a liquid form. Then pure gold, it is solid. Summary. Some materials change state when they are heated or cooled. When a solid changes state to become a liquid, we say that it has melted. Some solid matter needs more heat than others to melt. Some solid matter melts faster than others. Homework workbook page number 31. I hope you understood this chapter. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.